hot blockage treatment at home. Hot blockages can develop for many reasons, which can cause heart attacks and strokes. Fortunately, if dedicated early diet and lifestyle modifications can help counter the risk of serious heart diseases. Heart blockage is a problem that occurs with the heart's electrical system. This system controls the rate and rhythm of heartbeats. This problem can happen to anyone, and commonly we can see it in older people because it often results in heart issues. People with a heart block also may have high potassium levels, hypothyroidism, Lyme disease, and recent open heart surgery. Causes of heart blockage: high intake of sugar and salt, high intake of foods containing trans fats and saturated fats. Nutritional deficiencies resulting from high intake of processed foods and inadequate intake of whole foods. Other risk factors that should be considered including the lack of physical activity, high stress levels, age, family history, and smoking. We can cure these heart blockages by using natural and healthy home ingredients. Remedy 1. Ingredients: bottle gourd, zira, coriander seed, turmeric powder. Direction: take a clean bowl. Now add pieces of butter gourd. Now add 1 to 2 teaspoon coriander seeds. Now add 1 to 2 teaspoon of zira. And now add 1 to 2 teaspoons turmeric powder. Now blend all the ingredients thoroughly to make a juice. Consume this juice 3 times a week to get rid of heart blockages. Remedy 2. Ingredients: milk, amla powder. Take a glass of warm milk. Now add 1 to 2 teaspoons of amla powder and stir thoroughly. You have to consume this milk regularly at night. If you consume this milk, you can get rid of heart blockages. Amla powder has antibacterial properties that can reduce cholesterol from heart. Conclusion: if you follow these remedies, you can reduce heart blockage and also get a healthy heart.